Okay guys, today we are gonna see about internet safety for kids. Okay, so internet safety for kids. So definition of internet safety. Internet safety or online safety is trying to be safe on the internet and knowledge about personal safety, security, risk and self-protection from computer crime. Importance of internet safety are to avoid risk from unsuitable content, disclosure of personal data, illegal downloads, file sharing, spyware, viruses, and cyberbullying. So we need to avoid these things when we use in internet. Basic internet safety tips. It's also for parents to protect their kids from internet safety. So protect your personal information with strong passwords. We need to put some good passwords in our computer with numbers or some symbols or something. Keep personal information private. We need to keep our personal information anything, Gmail password or something, photos or private photos, and we need to keep it personal and do not share with anyone. Make sure your devices are secure. Pay attention software updates. Be careful about Wi-Fi. Our Wi-Fi is a main thing and we need to be careful with that because it's very it's also in publics. We should be very careful in publics when we use a public Wi-Fi. Back up your personal data, which is very important when we get some issues in our laptop and our laptop erases all the data we have in our laptop, and we need to back up the data so that we don't get it erased. Safe online use. We need to keep our privacy settings on. Practice safe browsing. Make sure your internet connection is secure. Be careful what you download. Choose strong passwords, as I said before. Make online purchases from secure sites. Like we should not go to some any site, something dangerous sites which looks some dangerous, and we should not just which will lead problems in our country, maybe in our laptop and or computer, which will lead us to some viruses or something. Make online purchases from secure sites. Be careful what you post. Never reveal personal information such as address, phone number, location or school name. So do's and don'ts in internet. So what we do and what we don't in internet. So do's. Do place the computer in a public spot. Do consider you're using prohibitive software. Do believe strangers on internet live. They don't tell the truth. We should not blankly believe them. Do tell your parents if someone make you uncomfortable in a chat. Don'ts. Don't tell your city to strangers or anyone who you don't believe. Don't tell where your parents work. Don't tell what team you belong to. Don't tell what school you go to. Never say this to any strangers or who you don't know. Cyberbullying. This is a very important point when we use internet. So cyberbullying is using technology to bully or hurt someone else. It can be something nasty, hurtful or abusive messages or emails. We should just ignore it. Embarrassing videos or images, spreading rumors or lies online. Fake online profiles. These cyberbullies are mean people who just wants us to bully. They just bully us and we should just ignore them or tell our parents. And you might know that we don't want to be cyberbullied or get viruses in our laptop or PC. So just follow these steps and be safe. Thank you. Thank you, DMCJ Academy, and thank you, sir.